up guys, welcome back to another video. I just got off of work right now, but I'm out here making a video for you guys, keeping you guys updated on the s2k. The car's looking so much better now that I got the hood done. I did paint the hood already, but I'm not gonna say much until I show you guys the process of me painting the hood. So let's go ahead and check it out and then we'll talk. So the reason I haven't finished painting the car is because I'm waiting on one can, and if you're new or you're just tuning in into this project, I do have to paint each panel 4 times, which means 4 coats of paint. The more paint you use, the brighter the color gets. So that's why I've been putting on 4 coats of paint and 2 coats of clear. But the can finally came in yesterday and it's time to paint the hood. Time to wipe it down with this tack rack, make sure it's nice and clean, and then I'll be throwing on the primer. Okay, I'm ready to begin. One more time, I'm using Rust-Oleum sandable primer. It's about $5 a can, and I really only need 1 can for the primer. I don't know which way I'm going to start. I don't know which way to go either. I think I'm just going to go this way. Maybe do 3 passes. We'll see. I got the hood complete, but I'm not sure if I have enough clear and hardener. So I hope that whatever's in here will cover it. I just got done with the first coat on the hood, and it took a whole complete can, and I've usually been able to go 2 coats with 1 can on each panel on the car, but I was able to just get 1 coat on this hood, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I need to go at least 4 times and I only have 3 cans, so I don't know. I was only able to get 3 coats of paint on here, and as much as I like to get that 4th one, I am out of paint, and it'll take about 3 days, at least 3 days, to get another can. But I just really want to get this hood done. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and clear coat it, and hopefully that helps it out a little bit. Don't mind all these little shadows, that's just because of this. The thing that you will see if it came out bad are the streaks, because I painted this way. So any streaks that you'll see are the imperfections. Let's just throw on the clear. As you guys saw, I ran out of paint, and I only went over the hood 3 times. Oh well, this is gonna have to do. So it's actually not that bad. Like, it still came out pretty decent because of the clear coat. Let me just show you guys. So you can see some streaks right here. Oh, there they are. I'm definitely not liking it, and I don't plan on doing it again. I knew this was gonna happen. This is why this was the last part of the car that I would paint. But maybe I'll get like a carbon hood or something. I'll just do a little bit of a walk around, show you guys. Yeah, I still need to do this part. Maybe next week. But anyways, I gave it a shot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me trying to paint this car. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.